Mom, look! There are so many birds flying in the sky.
Yes, Janvi. Do you know what we call this group of birds?
No, Mom.
We call it a flock of birds. It's a type of collective nouns.
Collective noun?
Collective nouns are words we use to talk about groups of people, animals, or things, like a flock of birds, a pack of wolves, or a herd of cows.
Oh, I see. So it's like when we talk about many things together?
Exactly. Collective nouns help us describe groups in a simple way. There are many examples of collective nouns, Janvi, like a team of players, a school of fish, or a swarm of bees.
Wow! There are so many collective nouns. Collective nouns make it easier to talk about groups.
Mom, can I try giving some examples of collective nouns?
Of course, Janvi, go ahead.
A class of students, a flock of sheep, a pack of wolves, and a choir of singers.
Great job, Janvi. You're getting the hang of collective nouns.
Thank you, Mom. Learning about collective nouns was interesting. Like if I want a piece of cake, I need some peace and quiet to enjoy.
You're a natural, Janvi. Let's get that piece of cake now. You deserve it for learning so much about homophones today.
Thanks, Mom. This fair is the best and so are our homophone lessons.
Anytime, sweetheart. Now let's enjoy the rest of the fair.
Look, Mom. It says pop a balloon to win a prize. So pop to burst and pup is a young dog, right?
Yes, exactly. And there is another one. Break and break. Break is what slows down a vehicle, while break means to smash into pieces.
And flour is what we use for baking. But flour is what we see in the garden.
Great job! And how about root and root? Root is a part of a plant, and route is the way or path to get somewhere.
This is so much fun. I think I've got another one. Stationery means still and stationery is for writing materials.
Yes, you are getting really good at this. Now don't forget steal and steal. Steal means to take without permission, and steel is a strong metal.
And tail is part of an animal, but tale is a story, right?
Absolutely.
I love learning new things like this. Let's find more homophones as we enjoy the fair.